There is an app on your Pixel right now that you never downloaded, has no home screen icon, and has been using 7 megabytes of your mobile data in the background without you ever opening it once. The app is called Ad Privacy. It came pre-installed by Google, and it's hidden inside your system apps. And right now, it has permission to track every single app you open and how often you use it. Here's how to find it and shut it down. Go to Settings, tap Apps, tap See All Apps, then tap the 3-dot menu at the top right and tap Show System. Now tap Ad Privacy. It should be listed at the top. Scroll down to Advanced. You'll see App Usage Data set to Allowed. Tap that. You'll see exactly what this means right on screen, and I quote, allows an app to track what other apps you're using and how often, as well as your carrier, language settings, and other details. Tap the toggle to turn it off. Now go back to the Apps List screen. Scroll down to the very bottom and tap Special App Access. Now scroll to and tap App Usage Data. On this screen, look for Digital Wellbeing. It should be near the top. If you do not see it listed there, just tap the 3-dot menu in the top right-hand corner and tap Show System. It should appear now. Tap on it and toggle off Permit Access to App Usage Data. Digital Wellbeing sounds like it's helping you, but it runs non-stop in the background, logging every app you open, every single day. 2 toggles, 2 minutes, and your phone stops reporting your behavior back to Google. If you want to see how deep this tracking goes, the Google Glitch series breaks it all down. Link in the description. I'll see you there.